Best final round, AI alternatives. So explore alternatives for AI-powered customer service and chat box. There's Zendesk AI, and it offers AI-powered chatbots that can automate customer service support, route tickets, and provides real-time assistance. It integrates well with multiple channels like email, social media, and live chat. Its AI tools consistently learns from conversations to improve efficiency. Freshdesk, what it does is Freshdesk uses an AI to help with ticket management, automate repetitive tasks, and provide insights for customer service agents. It's great because its Freddy AI system helps with providing 24/7 support and automatically suggests articles from your knowledge base to resolve issues faster. For conversational AI alternatives for sales and marketing, there's Drift AI and Intercom. You can pause right now and review what both of these softwares do. For alternatives for analytics and reporting, there's Monkey Learn and HubSpot AI, and you can also pause right now to review both of these softwares as well. For customer experience and personalization, there's Crisp AI and TDO AI, and both of these have their own descriptions, and you can also pause right now to review each of these factors. For conversational marketing and e-commerce, there's ManyChat and Live Person, and you can pause right now to review both of these descriptions. So choosing the right AI tool for you. For customer service, there's Zendesk AI, Freshdesk, Crisp AI. Sales and marketing, Drift AI, Intercom, ManyChats. For analytics and reporting, Monkey Learn, HubSpot AI are best. And for Live Person, there's TDO AI and Live Person for e-commerce and personalization. Ensure that you test the tool before committing. Many of these tools offer free trials, so make sure you test the alternative before fully integrating it into your business to see how it aligns with your goals and provides the value you're looking for. If this helped you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.